Hello and good day. My name is Nikki Breitigam, and I am the chemistry teacher that your child may be having this semester. I'm very thankful to have your child in my class this year, and we're going to do a ton of fun learning together. This video is just to kind of help introduce you to myself, to my classroom, and to my content, as well as give you access to things like supplies and contact information for myself. So again, my name is Nikki Breitigam. I am located in A201. It's right near the Media Center here at Rocky River. This is my fourth year at the Rock. I'm very excited to be a Raven. I teach currently chemistry and honors chemistry, and then I'm the sophomore council advisor. So if your child is in the 10th grade, sophomore council is a great way to start getting plugged in with leadership. So that's a great opportunity for them. Just some content information. When we are studying chemistry, we're looking at atomic structure. We'll study the periodic table of elements. We'll look at chemical reactions. We'll do some stuff with thermodynamics, and then we'll interact with some acids and bases. Along the way, we'll do some other things as well, but those are a lot of the main topics that we hit. For my contact information, as well as a supply list, we actually do have a class website, which you can access. If you will type in this bit.ly link, it's bit.ly slash Miss B Chemistry. And that will take you to a website that has my contact information. There'll be a class blog. It has a supply list, all the things that you and your child will need for this upcoming semester. I also ask that you fill out a Google form. That just tells me that you've viewed the video. It also helps me to see if there's anything that your child might need before they come into my class this semester or this year. So if you'll fill that out, it's again just another bit.ly. So you can just copy this information on there, and then you will have access to that, and that will give me information for them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, my information is on my school website or my classroom website, and then of course on the school website as well. I look forward to a wonderful year with your student.